Hello, welcome to my channel again. I'm Sandhya. Today I'm going to show you how to make few upcycling ideas. First of all, I'm going to show you this dress was a big blouse. So I made for me. And this one, in my previous video, I show already how to draft pattern and cut. So I'm going to show you today this part I'm going to make with old jeans. So first I cut already this band here, 10 centimeter wide, and after that you cut this piece. This is body, so you can see here all parts that you need for that jeans top. Front, two back pieces, zipper, waistband, and two straps. In my previous video, I already showed you how to cut and sew this one. Just watch how you look backside. Yeah. Next part. Now I'm going to show you. I already made few skirts. All are old jeans. Look. And cut just here. You cut same measurement also this side. This part you can use for some other modifications, and I'll show you here one of here. In this part, look, you have to cut little bit and look, make it straight. And sew. After that, you measure all around. Here I got 50 centimeters and the other side 50. You have 100 centimeter. You divide this 100 centimeters in 4. Take a piece of fabric, fold it into 4. You have 4 layers. We have already divided in 4 this measurement. So you have to do this here. 100 divide in 4, 25 centimeters. You take your measurement and look what I'm doing. There is 25 centimeters. Mark here and mark here. From this corner, you cook how many centimeters? From 15. You make all around 15 centimeters. But don't change here. control again whether they are 25 centimeters. Make a little deeper. Yeah. Now I take 10 centimeter here. All around you mark 10 centimeters and cut it. Cut first this part, 1 centimeter allowance, and cut this part. You put some notches here and here. Take this one notch goes here and the other one side seam, again mid, again side seam, and pin it all around. After that, you sieve all around and make overlock. Look, I already sew and very nice. Next one. I have 2 t-shirts, plain color and printed. Fold it and I marked here shoulder to under bust line. I have 35 centimeters. Mark it. Take this part, fold it like this, and put it already here. This you can take as your original hemline and draw just like this. Leave it 1 centimeter. Center line. And also cut this one. Leave it 1 centimeter allowance. This is your middle point. I'm going to make a small dart here. This is wrong side. I'm going to make 2 darts here. I think it's make nice shape for your body. First, you have to mark from shoulder to bust point. I have 26 centimeters. Both sides, you mark that. And this is your center line. From this center line, you mark each side. You measure first your bust width like this and half of it. I got 20 centimeters and 10 here this side, 10 this side. One centimeter here, 1 centimeter here, one here and one here. This is small dart. You make cut mark, also you get back side. Pin your darts and sew it. Sew all darts. Just watch. I sew sides and I make some gathers. Also back side. And you sew both together. You have nice dress. Look, and how you look your dress. And the rest of the other part, this and this, you can make a t-shirt. And you can draw a small sleeve here, little bit. I'll show you. Fold it. You join this part here, and you have another t-shirt. So this is how you look. 2 t-shirts and I gave new look. This is upcycling project today. I made many skirts with old jeans and top with old jeans and one dress for me with old big blouse, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed and be creative. Do something with your old clothes. So until next time, be safe and happy. Thank you for watching. Learn it, do it.